Hi friends, today we'll be talking about another part of the geography tools. In previous lesson we discussed that what are the component of the tools or elements of the map and what and how to read them, in which we listed some tools like thermometer, barometer, scale and all these things, and we also identify some the parts of the map. So in this lesson we'll be talking about the map scales, the difference between large and small scale, and how do map works. So we can see here the learning outcomes that identify and describe the functions of the variety of geographic representation. Identify and describe the properties and functions of maps students collect from magazines. So here, as we know that we have that the multiple maps we use in order to understand the place and to reach the destination. For example, this map shows the metro route, which is a daily commute from. You can see them in a subway station. Subway map indicate the route trains takes. So each color indicates the route and a commute from the origin and start ending point. And this is the key map which is unblocking the information or answers. For example, this blue line which is for handicapped people's accessible to stations, and the green line which shows the blur Denver line, and the yellow line which shows the Young University line. So these are the two type metro, and it has a different the destinations. So you can see across that these are the destinations for them, and this is the yellow line which shows the different destinations for that. So these are the metros which runs uh, in the as in a subway stations, and to continue the daily commute. Okay. Similarly, we have that the uh, maps, with the political maps in the textbook, and these books, political map shows the borders between the countries. You can see here in a textbook map, a map might shows the new areas that were added to the United States at a different times. Okay. So these are the colors of the map, and you can see the allied powers which was united into the uh, America. Here you can see this color, and that World War II in Europe and North America, 1913 39 to 41. And allied controlled territories are these, you can see here, and the neutral nations, like the Spain river and Sweden and Ireland, these were the neutral nations. So this map, the key is unblocking the information, that we can read easily, and it also help us to understand what exactly is mentioned in the political map. For sitemap, as well as you can see here, if you have a computer website, it gives you the hierarchically, that the chain uh, that gives you information that how you have to operate, and where you're gonna find information uh, that you needed. So this can be a site map or company's websites map. It will help you to uh, explore the information what exactly you needed, or ever you tried. I'm sure that usually we try website, and that title and subtitles give the information what exactly we need to do and how to uh, deal with the website. So this website is give the information where exactly these contents are located, and what content you needed, okay, that you can, it will let you that. So this will unblock the information to read the websites. Okay. Similarly, the park information, okay, how you can see here the numbers which help you that which thing located on which place, and this key is helping to understand, okay, the entrance exit, the exit of that area, the parking area, and all these things, okay, information. So this is the the park map or the place map. So one thing is clear that each and every on the place has a different map, and the maps are helping us to understand how to reach there and how to get there. Okay, so this is that the how do map works. Okay, so the map works differently. It helps it works through the key and with the other different components which we need to understand, and which help us to get there and to read the map and unblock the information. So recall, do you know the parts of the map like a compass rose, skull bar, and on the colors on the map? So these are the that the some parts of the map which we must know. Here you can see the map scale. Map scale are the two types. One is the large scale map and small scale map. You can see here the large scale map, which means zoom in. While you zoom in the camera, it doesn't mean that you will be finding the large area. No, it is completely opposite. You will be finding the opposite small area, but with the detailed information. So the large scale map means you are zooming in and you are getting the detailed information about particular place. Similarly, small scales is the opposite. That a small scale, that means that you have large area but less information. For example, you will be finding the major landforms and the component on the map, but you will be unable to find the streets and other the places like the shops and all these things. Okay, so the small scale map that shows the large area but less information. However, large scale map shows the a small area but detailed information. You're gonna see the guiding. Okay, reading here's the link. Okay, if you're gonna want to read, okay, about that, you can. Sometimes the people misunderstood that large area. It means that the a large scale, it means it's a large area and it will be giving something the differently. So it's not like that. Now we'll be talking about you can see here, the scale is another important feature of the map. As you learn, the scale bar relates with the distance on the map to actual distance on the earth. The scale bar is based on the scale at which the map is drawn. A scale is the relationship between the distances on the map is drawn on the earth. Map are either large scale or small. A large scale map focuses on a small area. However, a small map might be the and a small map shows the relatively large area. So you can see here we'll be talking about the map projection, which means to convert the earth to flat map. As you know that a globe is in the sphere shape, and if you want to convert or study the particular area, that we have to project on it. While we are projecting on particular area, it converted into the flat shape. So you can see here the different the projected area, but you will not be finding there anymore the sphere shape and all these things. So this is also projected area, this is also projected area. So these projected, okay, so maps are completely are taken from the globe. Okay, we know that globe is the accurate, providing accurate information. While we are converting, okay, or cartographers are converting a particular locations, or want to study about the particular locations, they have to use the map projection. So the map projection, firstly, it changes the shape of of the globe into the flat shape. So cartographers change this sphere shape representation into the uh, flat representation, and that the man think that while it's changed into the flat representation, that maps consider as a distorted. It might shows the incorrect information. That's why maps are inaccurate as compared to the globe. Here are some that project area, that how choreographer studies a particular. Okay, so we know that if you want to study particular country, we cannot create globe for that country, but we'll be changing that we'll be using map projections. Here you can see here, this is a flat representation, so we you can guess that when a cartographer converted the globe into flat representation, how the map is distorted. Okay, so the measurement distortion can be in the measurement, can be in the length, and can be in the features of the particular land. So this was guys, about the types of the maps projection, how to map works, and the difference between map skill and map scales, large scale and small scale. So I hope that you like that lesson. If you have any question about that, okay, you can write or comment. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till that, bye.